forms the arm. This section forms the breast, or well, I guess it's half the model, so it is singular. This forms the breast, not breasts. And then this right here is the longer section of hair, shorter section of hair, and the head. Okay, so now let me add in the chin. Because right now, if we were to collapse this, if we had vertical creases going this way and horizontal creases going this way, if we were to collapse this, we would end up with the head would be flat in relation to the body, and it would look really, really strange. So she needs a chin. So for that, I'm going to go like this. Okay, I got to flip this around the other way, because I can't think about this upside down. Okay, I'm putting a second box in here. This will form the chin. And by the way, this is going to actually extend a little bit farther down. Alright, again, this isn't to scale. I'll do it out on graph paper later. So, once I collapse this, you're essentially going to end up with a mountain fold that goes through all the layers right here, and a valley fold that goes through all the layers right here. Now, looking at this from the side, you will end up with this. Alright? So, that's the chin, that's the breasts, and then the rest of the body. And let me go ahead and draw this in real quick. Okay. Now, right here, that is the longer section of hair. That's the shorter section of hair. These lines just denote which direction these layers of paper are going to which way they're going to fold. I guess that's I can't think of a better way of putting that. It'll make sense once I actually start folding this, and I'll put the crease pattern out and explain how all this stuff works. So, essentially this is going to, the longer section of hair is going to force all these layers upwards, and then this, what looks like a valley here, is going to bring all these layers downwards, and upwards, and downwards. So, from the front, if we were to collapse this, we would end up with, so that's the head. Got that shorter section of hair. And then that longer section of hair. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and measure out what all these lengths are. This is going to be 2 units. I think that's the right way to write it. 2. Nope, that's backwards. Right. That's 2. That's 1. That's 2. That's 1. That's 5. Okay. So I'm going to redraw this down here so that you can get all the measurements. So we go down 8 units, and this is the fingers. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and like this. So each line on the paper is going to be 2 units. That's 2, 4, 6, 8 units. Okay. So I go down 10 units. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 units. And then up 1, and then down 2, 1, 2, and then up 1, then back 5. So there's 2, 4, and 5. 10, 1, 2, yeah, 1, and then 5. That's 8. So now, if we see how much horizontal space this actually takes up, we obviously count over 10 lines. That's 11, 12, 13, 14 lines. Or units, I guess. So from here to here is 14 units. Alright. Now, we're going to go back 5. So here, that's going to be 9 units, so 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Now I know that the head section takes up 2 units. That's this section. And I gotta count this out. I've got the crease pattern over here. Go 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 units. Okay. So I'm going to go this way 9 units. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this will be the longer section of hair. Okay. Now I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to go up 1. So this is how we get, so this section down here, or this, the end of this long section of hair, let me turn this around so that, no, this way works. No, it doesn't. This way works. Yeah, so this long section of hair is right here. Alright. There we go. That there is right here. Okay? Now, so I've gone down 5 units. I'm going to go up 1 unit. So that's 9. This is 5. That was a really good upside down 5. This is 1. And now, one moment. 5 at this point to be 1, 2, 3. Let's pull it there. So 1, 2, 3. Let's pull it there. Actually, I changed my mind. We're going to go up 2 units right here. So up 2. Not 1. Don't worry about that. So up 2. And down 1, 2, 3. And down 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And now we're going to go up 2 to make the head. So up 1, 2. Like that. 5, 2. So now, if we add all these together, so remember from here to here is 14 units. And then we go back 5, so now we're at 9 units. We're counting from this side, by the way. So this is, where are we at? 9 units. Now we're going to go back this way 9 units. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. Plus 2 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. Alright? So this whole section is 32 units across. And that's right where I want it because I don't like doing divisions. When I do a grid at the beginning of a model, I don't like doing more than 64 because it gets really boring really quickly. Making grids does, not origami. Making grids. Okay. So, these are the measurements for the upper section of the angel. Now, for the chin, we are going to, from this point, we're going to go down 1 unit. Make a little mark there. So that's 1 unit. Put a 1 in there. And I'll map out this crease pattern on a program and upload it, or not upload it, but put it as a screenshot at the end so you can see it with grid lines. So you can fold it yourself. Okay. So I'm going to go down 3, yes, down 3 units. There's 1, 2, 3 units. Down 3 units this way. 1, 2, 3 units. Now I'm going to go back 1 unit. Down 2 units on this side. In 2 units here, and then 1 here. So this will be, I'm going to turn this around to write these numbers in. 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. So there it is. Alright, my camera's saying I got 5 minutes left, so I'm going to wrap up this section pretty quick. Alright, so there is the upper section of the angel, not including the heart. This will give us the head. So, again, this is only half the model. This is, so, it is only half the model. Okay. So, head, shorter section of the hair, longer section of the hair, chin, breast, fingers. Sorry, I should probably go like this. Okay, so we've got our fingers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the arm right here. Now, this arm at the moment is only it's only going to be 8 units long, but the way this works out adds another 2 units to it. And I'll show you how that works once I actually fold this. It'll make sense. Okay, so that's the end of this section. Next we're going to do the positioning the legs and the wings. Okay, see ya.